Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Nervy Specialist. So I'm looking at a Grand Design Solitude, and it's a 2021 build, but it's actually a 2022. And I just was catching up with Dave, so you see a couple other videos on it. And one of the videos I was just talking to him about, he was putting back the wheels on. It was in here for a wheel bearing pack, and he hadn't finished doing like his exterior inspection of the lights or the exterior eval. But I was talking about this pinbox and talking about how the company did some crazy stuff, and the company that owns that pinbox, Reese, and how they're no longer in business. And I was walking up here and I was talking, about all the nonsense that I was talking about. And I just walked up and I looked at the wires and I said, "Oh, son of a gun, that wire, it was rubbing up on the frame." So he's actually going to fix that for the owners. But make sure that you're checking your breakaway switches. And so if you don't know what this is, this pin that comes out of here, this is just a safety pin that pulls out, and it allows the two contacts to then spring load and touch. That completes the circuit to apply the brakes on the trailer. So because this was, one side's going to be positive and one side's going to be dead because its power is just a continual loop, that could have shorted out and not worked on the unit itself if an event had happened where it had broke loose. And I pulled Dave and said, "Hey, look at this." So he's over here, just put some tape on it for the guy. But that, and Dave, the other thing I noticed too, and it doesn't have to replace it, but he's dropped his 7-way, and then it's pretty dirty inside there and starting to show some signs of corrosion. So, but anyways, at some point, you're going to want to replace that. So if you're the owner seeing this, but that's kind of why we do these exterior evals. And when we're doing like wheel bearing packs and brake inspections and stuff, we're looking at the frames, we're looking at the lights, we're looking at the 7-way cords, we're looking at the breakaway switches, the chains, the pin boxes, a lot of stuff that's not necessarily mentioned on our work order that we're looking just as safety to protect you, the consumer. So, but all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're checking your pin boxes. Make sure you go back and see my other video where I talked about Reese getting in trouble, and that was from another guy that had posted it online, John Livingston. And so check out his channel as well, and we'll go from there. But you guys have a great day. This is Dustin, Nervy Specialist, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.